Welcome! Today I'm showing how to lock SIM card with SIM pin into XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021. First of all, open your settings and find password and security option, this one. Then find privacy option, and here first option in the list will be SIM lock block. So if you have two cards here, you choose your cards what you want to block and press it, and here we got lock SIM card option. So for activate this option, click here on the switcher to lock your SIM card, and for locking need to enter your pin, maybe for example 1, 2, 3, 4, and click OK. And that's it. Now we block our SIM card with SIM pin. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.